Come here, apamputtae. You want one hug. You just want one hug. Come here. Come. Come to Auntie. She not boss you about apamputtae. Me where do for you. Eh? Me where do for you, apamputtae. Yeah, come for. I say me a season the meat and me a cry. Me think of the onion. True. Me. Lizard and rice. You eat Auntie Daphne? Me, apamputtae, yeah, come and talk about say. Some know so you have no intelligence and you dirty. You some set a dirty girl. No disrespect, my baby. Me not disrespect you, because somebody asked me not to get involved with the things them happening on the internet. So me not cuss you. Me a reason with you. Woman to woman, me a reason with you. Because you're missing every single thing. Yeah, you see, you are gonna make friend, make you get left in a life, which you're ending there. You're heading right there. You understand me? Somebody said me something what you say about, oh, you not even posting on some of them. Since you said you're a bad artist, apamputtae, I play your songs. That much I play your songs. All who not remember you, I play your songs. Ask Spicy if she ever post you. I just that more you match up. More you match that. Ask her if she ever post your business where you're about to put out. Because she previous by everything and she instant like coffee. So more you ask her, I not a coffee resting, I at Blue Mountain Peak. More you ask her. Me not in a lie, you sound like a fool. And you see you're a girl when me like, me can't even dig up your past. Because people always say me like get kids involved. And imagine you address me, you're going to tell me about you have two beautiful, two respectable picnic. Are you bringing the child and apamputtae? We don't know if a two woman grow. Remember you're a sodomite too. So let us just push that out of the way, because you're a sodomite, you suck down the whole of Fletcher's land. Nobody could go in at that. We not come for go in at them little dirty something there. We could just keep it on the surface, apamputtae, because I really like you. Because you're talented and you're gifted. And you missed the point. I really like you. I really like you for true, but you go like a piece of shit. Yeah, man, you act like you're a piece of shit and you're a piece of shit. Because you're acting like that. So what the difference? I just reason with you, my baby. Me not cuss you, you know. Me not cuss you. Yeah, cuss and attack say me not post you. Go get upset with Spice. Go get upset with Spice. Who them a book she and not book you. Me just share my bookings. Me don't know how I stay, so. I just saw me stay, me just share my bookings. Yeah. So me not understand, apamputtae. Yeah, come and yeah argue. And you know say yeah, me can answer yourself. Eh? You know see that, my baby? You know see that, my baby? My nice, cute, clean baby. You know see it? You can't ask shit as with my favorite apamputtae. Me did tell you say me I come to the nitty gritty really, but me say no, me like you. Me like your apamputtae. Me stop right here, so me draw back right here, so me like you. Yeah, for sure. But I don't lie, me I tell. Me don't, and you see you, me I tell you something. You're too dirty and mixed up. Apamputtae, why as my class Spice and talk with Spice do the homeless man, you look a come back? Why? Why you make Spice influence you? Girl, and not today me I talk about you. From the start my life, you're one girl with me like. I'm going to tell you say leave Shenyang. Focus on you. You and only you. From ever since I say so. So why as I talk about Spice and the homeless man now, apamputtae, for sure that you don't have no tactics. You're not good. You say you're not ready? You're not ready yet. Yeah, you're not ready. You're not ready. Where you come with us some now make no career talk. Can you find it fitting for say, since you talk to me about artists, you ever post on my song, apamputtae me play and me talk good boy yo. Apamputtae, it's a pity you never lucky for join the live at that time. Me tell you say me can't argue with you because you're gifted. And me love your gift. And girl, as much as my skin has scratched me, for go up in your hole we share. For true girl, we share. For true girl. I true me like you. I true me like you, my baby. And I'm me if I take out the frustration pan. Because the same way me tired of spice not helping you, it's the same way you're tired of spice not helping you. Yeah, talk about when you go like spice of God, you made her your God. We only can go after how you act when she's around. Apamputtae. No man, the pot alright man. Yeah, the pot alright. A Christy this? Christy girl, a years in a ear shot fire about you. A Christy. Eh? Why me think she need help though? All of us need help in our career. All of us need help in our career to go further. So that within itself answer your question. So if you want to throw an undercover shade, it not gonna work. All of us need help in our career. You not understand is the fact that you met this lady in front of your gift, Apamputtae, and that hurt me. No put nobody in front of you because he's a good girl, he's a good artist. He's a good, I don't know about good girl part, sorry about that. He's a good artist. I say me have to restrain myself in a cuss your Apamputtae. Because I really want to go down low, you know, and tell you what I know. I really want to bend down low. I really want to go down low, Apamputtae. You're too good, man. And you come on the internet, I tell you, you say, you know some set of dirty people, really, man. People are holding up and go like them more decent than uno. Them artists are more decent than uno. And some set of dirty people. Because you make spice influence you now. If you come and class me, Apamputtae don't do that, go class the studio. Go and class a rhythm. Christy, move your body, man. Woman here. No, for sure. You don't have no sense. You argue with me and you go bring in your children. Apamputtae, you know, say me no pardon not even the dead. Actually, me like you. Apamputtae, me really like you for sure, you know. God know me like you. Girl, me have some things I want to talk about. You say, God believe me. I have some things I want to talk about your spice leave you on the sidewalk. And that I want to talk about. Some things, Apamputtae, please, focus. Yes, Simone. Apamputtae, I play a song more than all spice post anything for you. That much me can clap and say hippie parade. Don't buy the hand we feed you. Don't bite the hand we feed you. You love to call up God's name and God should have shown you spice. You're not listening. You're only praying. You're praying and listen, man. You talk too much. You see much flaws in your statement? I say, Apamputtae, I want class. You say, girlfriend, I want class. You. And you say, I just want class. I feel all tired. I feel restrain myself. For true, but you genuinely like your gift. And my sister Spice teeth you, she rob you. She rob your girlfriend. And you know want to own it all now. One day in a life. And I pray to God you come to closure. One day in a life. For true. Pam want do you up, you see? Pam want do you up. And the first thing I want to lick you with is the microwave where your teeth from Barbara. Apamputtae for true. I want to lick you from this and go right down in your history. From Beanie Man I sing, Magdalena Gwandan. Yeah, for true. I want to talk some nice loving things, Apamputtae, but God believe me. You see who me like, me really and truly like. You understand me? And me know you hurt because me talk the truth. Me know you hurt. No, I'm going to cry now because, oh, you want to my mom, I you. For true, Apamputtae. For true, man, I like you. I like you, I not do you, I not rub you. I like you for true, for real girl. And I know when gyal mash up themselves, and I know when gyal turn idiot for gyal. I know all of them something. The apamputtae, you are Spice friend. Spice is not your friend. No, how it go? You take Spice for a friend, but Spice not take you for a friend. I'm phrase it so, yeah. Yeah, it's true. Sure, it's true. Let's up read a long time and I see a girl what pinch. For real. Because I can't understand out of all of women ever say, boy, you apamputtae not today. Me I disrespect you for going in the studio. It's all about your work, my class, because your girl no walk and trouble me. It's all about your job, my class. I need to see, I need to rock to you. I want to rock to your apamputtae. You come like Devanos ice cream shop when it lock. Me not lie, me inna eat. Yeah, me need to hear from you. You should be honored. You should be grateful. As soon as stay as dirty people. That's what I'm not gonna win a life and you can't tell me nothing. When you can't tell me nothing. Apamputtae, you're the only gig in the studio where I spin. And it's not on rhythm. For true, I always start to need for people need to help you. But you have to make yourself helpful. Explain how she get robbed. Listen. Check the levels. When Spice came out like a skettle. Check the levels. When Spice came out like a skettle. Check the net and draw back the curtain of memories. She came out like a skettle. Number one, Spice squeak. Fine. You see, apamputtae is the real deal. You see, like how Alia was the original Beyonce. I know Beyonce becomes the original Alia. Okay. Just so you know. You see the song, Fat Girl I bet you can do this, Slim Girl I bet you can do this. Spice not like competition. And for such, people work with you and study you. People friend you and study you. Take it from me. Spice gone with apamputtae vulgarity, that apamputtae's tone and vulgarity fit the rhythm and the studio. Me not ask you know. Me not ask no. Oh. Me nah ask none of uno. When you see Spice, you don't say originality. When you say Spice, you say apamputtae. When you say apamputtae, you say originality. When you say apamputtae, you say apamputtae. No, uno not gonna know, uno not gonna talk, uno not gonna this. Apamputtae with skill Spice pan a collab. She will. Them I forgot tone down apamputtae lyrics. Me nah, people wanna alright. You see someone will always get like because you can't tell say mommy like your sister more than who she like you, or your mommy like your brother more than who she like you, or your brother walking in your footstep, or your friend are walking in your image, or your friend want look like you, or your friend want dress like you, or your friend want everything like you, but we not see them something at all. And so we stay as a people. And so we stay as a people. Me never know say so apamputtae dance. Me never know you talk about you have two respectable picnic. Me never know a Muslim father grow them. Me never know so you dance you girl. Me say girl you lucky me love you. Me say to oh me love you, me tired. Me go look at my pat. Me come Pam. Pam me I come. Me say people, somebody say, them a dread the day for Spice prove me wrong. What did I say this morning? Me say every time Spice have a mix up, apamputtae is our best friend. Every time Spice have an album for do we can't hear apamputtae upon it. No man, this sad, this past sad. And so said, so done. Yesterday I spoke about Spice collabing with Carly Red and all of them something and apamputtae run behind Spice and I make Spice and Icon. You have a wicked best friend. That's all I can say, best friend wicked. Not more. Exactly. It's not like me, I tell you now. No, for true, people may tell you the truth. We do not understand certain things, and that's why you see all apamputtae take to the net and talk about say, a long time, yo! A long time, Spice, how old you don't you not see it? Where your ears there? Where your ears there? And because they know me I talk the truth, and that's the problem. Because it's the truth. You want us to believe that it's your best friend. What talent your best friend has? Oh, she's an artist also. How comes I don't know her? Yes, but I don't. I should know her through you. How comes I've never seen you post anything of her? How comes? I've never seen that before. Why? Some best friend you are. People don't like when you talk. It's true. And apamputtae, you talk about dirty sofa. No, apamputtae, I say some things when I want class about Jesus have mercy. Wogo yo go yo, yo go yo, yo go yo, yo go yo. Yeah, all of them little excitement that you show up your dirty life. You show up how dirty you are and unintelligent. It's all a Carly Red. Yeah, jump up just because you sit down and have dialogue. Apamputtae, you're not smart, you're not careless. You're not careless. That's why man not proud for what we don't know. Don't to me wanna chastise and class. Everybody where they around me get help, and that makes Slick Bass get licked. Slick Bass get licked because you have a bag of man around you. The boy them want to fly too. Do something for them. Didn't I say this morning? Show me your company and I tell you who you be. Show me your company and people don't like when you talk like this. You're going to say, oh, the boy them bright. Then forget up and go look up. No. The boy them make people know you too. The bag of man them with their own you make people know you too. If I saw the argument go. You say you go buy a car and you tell a man and him set up him friend them, your passing them rob you. And you forget rob your friend them for rob you. The whole of one of the thief from morning. A thief pan read him. So that make you not a thief, Slick Bass, Silk Bass. That's why I tell you to say better not keep on the mouth shut. Because if you can say your friend them rob you and your brethren them yeah, and the one where you tell say you go buy one series BMW. Slick Bass, me just can't follow your story. God believe me. God believe me. Something not right. Una miss out some things out of the something. Una miss out some things out of the something. I one thing me now gonna say. Me now gonna say people for put them hand on people. I am not down with that. But me not gonna buy out a man war or talk against a party because I feel a particular way about what they did to this party. I'm not going to do that when we not hear the 15 side of the story. I don't hear the 15 sides of the story because how Slick Bass attack, him attack like him deserve the box. Him attack like him deserve the box. Him attack like him deserve the box. And then me I listen to him and me I say, you tell your friends say you're going to buy one vehicle. Them ask if I come or somewhere and you did their foreign. Me can't understand all of them alabaluya. I just cannot understand. Number one in your statement you said, I can't bother with them. Your tone and your delivery. Like you dress it up but it still come off pungent. Yo, me can't bother like you run with the people them. You can't bother perform at them local function there. People listen to statement before they start pick sides. Leave people argument alone. Leave it alone. Everybody love jump up and say, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And what we jump up and do is El Pam. We for jump up and help Pam. And Pam we for jump up and help. No, but it's not like travel station. When you listen to Silk Boss statement, there is no way that Silk Boss is seeking justice. So why me go jump up and say, oh God, you now seek justice, make it rest. The greatest part about it of your life. So my problem is now, why the video done so long and now it a release? What is the other problem? My nerviness. My nerviness for sure. What is the other problem? But everybody want to jump up and give them narrative. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my... Me not have nothing for them more than the box them look at, and it look very disrespectful and embarrassing. And him can use this to either push him forward or draw him back. That's all. Me not have nothing more to say. Because the whole of them are bad people. Because if they never see me around the mount a gunshot with them would have promised me, I'm glad them not have them gun pan them. Yeah. I'm glad them not have them gun pan them because the whole of them are bad people. The whole of them bad non-stop straight flight to Miami. Yeah. Me not have nothing to say. But Sister Pam, I really like you. I really like you, Sister Pam, and I try my hardest not to rub you. Because girl, I want to rinse you, you know. Oh God, man, Pam. Pam, I want to ring you. I want to flag you out for sure. Come back. I'll come back, Sister Pam. Sister Pam, you want some education though. I bet you can't help the kids them do homework because you can't reason. You can't reason, I never know so you don't. I say you just hurt how I taught the truth. You hurt how I taught the truth. You hurt how I highlight you and Spice's relationship. You hurt. Spice of our life, you live in her. She a go like she a God. Eh, boy, Shabada. Every day, a long time now, you depend on me name, you know. I'm tired of it. Eh, I'm tired of it. When I sit down and I hear you talk, you never watch me eat apamputtae, but yet still you know me have sofa. More you tune in now and see how I'm living in style. Yes, I'm going to go broke out for a while. Huh? Apamputtae, I say me I work hard for me I work hard for my whole back, you see. Me I work hard for my old back man, because I just want to rub you and call it a day. Yeah. More you come watch Man Problem Apamputtae and see how girl hold stage and perform and girl no stay behind girl. Girl go in front of girl. Yeah man, more you come see, me can't bother run down no washed up artist. Me can't bother hold up no washed up artist for my icon. Go on yeah. Before some go hold up Kemar. Yeah, if I want icon, I go hold up Kemar. You put that together, you get Kemar icon, conscience? Yeah. Me no want none of that, my love. You know you sound hurting in your voice because you cannot talk the truth. Release yourself, Apamputtae. Talk to the girl of Shegriz, man. Talk to the girl of Shegriz. Yeah, only time you want to mix up. Look how long she do what she do and me not hear you mention. Me not hear you mention what kind of obia she drop her. You can put him in the beach obia, you know. No, for true. No, Pampute, you hurt. I mean, no, say you hurt. And you don't hurt because me I trouble you. Because me not trouble you, you hurt because me I tell you the truth. You hurt because me highlight every single thing. And some go in front of one girl go married. Christy Hilton, you never go in front of nobody are married. You still await for your husband, him not born yet, you know. I mean, you say mother pass off. Yeah. So I don't know if I'm here, if I go bring him. So you know that's a no. Little more scare, lick you down. But if you have a big object and carry around you down, so you need it. Yeah man, me know, hey, the day and night, let me tell you the truth. She hurt really bad. It a nana up for true. You talk about say, yeah, if you say me a bad artist as you say, how comes you never play none of my songs? Look how much song I pump it a long time, I don't hear nothing about you like you sing silence. You sing silence and not ravers. For real, girlfriend, honestly, ask anybody out there if them hear nothing from your affiliate. I one gospel song you put out and I can't understand because I pay bad what you cost for your life a while ago. So me no know how to take it. Me no know how to take it. Me no know. Me no know which road you go. The next minute you're Queen of Africa, the next minute. Me know you're versatile, but show your versatility some more in your studio. No, me serious something me attack. Serious something. And the people in the pan cancel. Me glad. Me glad. You know they can't bring cancellation to that bitch, yeah? Tell me the truth now, look on that look good bitch. Yeah. You can't bring cancellation to this bitch. Like I care who want come and go. Number one, I want more space for colleague. You know, say I always long and open up, talk truth. Open up underneath clean like a whistle. Eh? No, talk truth. You talk about cancer, like I care. Pampute, look here, and you are run down likes and views. You remember say you want people for here, say you take back the boy. Mister, me don't know why you make the black dog set you up. You know, say that black dog is everybody that black dog set up get catch. Me don't care if you like Pampute. Me don't care if you want to like Pampute. Me like her too. And if you were here long enough, you don't know say me like her because I say it out of my mouth. So why you tell me to stop because you like Pampute and I don't even know you? So why you command me to stop now and I don't know you? Do I care what you like? Me just ask if I care what you like. I don't even know you. I don't even know your child. But auntie, stop. I like Pampute. Well, if you like her, you not join her. Eh? Like, I give a damn who you want like. So me must stop because you like her. Then who are you? Who died and made you in a person? Just asking. Come on, issue out the respect correctly and properly. Who died and made you known? I'm just asking. I'm not being rude. Yeah. Who died and made it known, love? Come on, no off your dress, you know. If me ever dress like Prince, Michael or Whitney, me not know. Eh, so me not understand. You talk about stop. You like apamputtae. The fact of the matter, you like her, but you never tell us, you never encourage her yet and say, girl, get up now, we want to hear you. One day we must keep happy on apamputtae. We say, we want Pam. We want Pam. We want Pam. We want puttae. Yeah. Ip, puttae. Yeah. And that what I want to say. So I don't understand. But you ever play my music them yet? Look how much bad song me have. Pam, and me alone play your song. Cause me not hear no vlogger play you. Bad to bad. Me not hear no vlogger play your apamputtae. Me not even hear artists. Maybe me not so lucky. So somebody pan this tell me not hear no vlogger play your apamputtae. No vlogger remember you that me for ask you. You should be honored that I remember you. No, but I'm not lie. I'm not lie. You should be honored. No vloggers. Me not hear artists who you say you and them a friend. Nobody now post shit boy you. Nobody. Them run with me more than how them run with you. Nobody now have you upon them stats either nor them story. Them have up me more than how them have up you. And at that you're not praying apamputtae. Book girl, but I'm not like, you not pre them something there. Pre the levels. You talk about people eat your girl. If me didn't eat it all, I know. Me I bleed you think of your period. And then people tell them the truth and I don't like it. You a girl with me a real from before me know myself. Sagittarius, nobody not talk about apamputtae. Nobody in this world not talking about your girlfriend. Not one soul is talking about you. Me are the only one who come out and say, that girl have it. She have it go and she have it come. I'm the only person who talks so. So when you talk about say, if me ever play, if me never play a song, me talk about how good and great you are. Keep reminding people of you. The same way me ask them if them not check pan Ninja Man. If them are going to just make him dead in a prison, so. Never yet, Sagittarius. Exactly. But because them always want to forget the bad things where them claim to say me say about them and that them run with. But when me talk the goodness about them don't say nothing. When I was talking about Skeng back in 2020, everybody did go like them don't know who is Skeng. Now everybody knows Skeng. No one didn't even care about Wipery. Nobody not care about when me talk about. Nobody at all don't care about the songs that I was playing. Only the persons on Happy Corner. Me and them alone go at it for Skeng. Me rub Skeng in them face. Nobody now hold them up. Nobody in this lifetime and world not holding them up. Them unnecessary to the community where them a venture for going in. Or where them in. Me are the only person me can say on the net we always a cheer for apamputtae. I say move from behind Spice and show your beauty. Move from behind the lady and show your beauty. I'm the only one we talk and say, you know, say apamputtae a bad girl. Listen to that song, yeah. Listen to this. Listen to that. Apamputtae a bad girl. I like what she sing that. Apamputtae I have a receipt. So when you come at me, take off your bang. Take off your bang. Because you now come out with none. Exactly. Nobody not care about them artists where I come up. All of a sudden, everybody know. Ooh, Marie. If you rate the man them from you see them talent from the ground. Cartel said the tallest mountain start from the ground. Uno no uplift and carry people. Uno wait until the world has said them, then uno say them. Exactly, Travis. My place Kingston go, my place Kingston come, my place King. Me did have to make him breed, my friend. Me did have to make him breed, my friend. Me do too much good for that boy there. Yeah. Yeah, me did have to give him, my friend. I mean, not stop the good theme. Me not done yet. Nobody never care when times King I try push, I try push, I try push. Nobody didn't care. Yeah, Carly will get the song and apamputtae Avara's icon. Oh, glory to God. Fix it, Jesus. Me, one thing me not do. It's not hard for me promote somebody. That is one thing I don't do. If me see you're talented and you're gifted, me I go pump you in the most way. Me I go show you soft love, hard love, tough love, all sort of love. And you for pick it out. Apamputtae, you don't have no education. Stay where you're there. Stay where you're there. You see you're talking about it's a long time coming and blah blah and rare. When Ramesh did promote Shensia we just come. And true Shensia did the upset spice. You jump on Shensia case. Apamputtae, you know, say it's a troublemaker. Remember, say me said one jump into the argument and defend Shensia, you know. And say leave the girl alone. Leave Shensia alone. Give way for other persons, for other talent. See what you can learn from this individual and teach this individual something. You are by your spice spot. You've always been doing this. No, my friend in breed and me give my friend, I say, hey girl, go breed for my man. I always do it, you know. That's something I always do. Yeah. Keep it close, you know them right there. Yeah, me don't want him to say him down to Westmoreland or Hanover and look for him, be man. No, I'm live at Kingston. I want him to say him down around the road and next door. Girl, you have to be smart up here, son. Yeah. In all fairness, nobody not tell you the truth. You're hurt because it's the truth. This lady not do nothing for you. You're hurt. Oh, she get Carly Red the collab. At that hurt, you hear your tone. Oh, Carly Red get the collab. And look how she could have do collab with you. So Carly, look how me say, Nicki Minaj, wherever you are over the world, please me I beg you. Please me. No, I'm not talking me now beg you, Nicki Minaj. Stay away there. Just stay away there, Nicki. And not everybody for help, because we see our stupidity already. Not help everybody. Actually, my Apamputtae